sorry I'm doing this video in a car because I have to run a few errands and I couldn't complete it, but I had to make sure that I'm doing it and I'm posting it. So this video, as you read the title, is going to be my very quick lightening fast contouring routine. And I'm literally, you know, this is the makeup that I was going for, but I couldn't record the whole thing. But yeah, I did record the contouring routine and it's super quick, super fast. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So I've already prepped my skin using my Cetaphil moisturizer, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Ace of Base foundation in Sugar and just put it on my skin. It's a beautiful foundation, you guys. Blends perfectly, and to blend it I'm using the brush that it comes with, which is absolutely perfect for getting it in your skin. After that is done, I am using my Sugar concealer to go ahead and conceal the high points of my face and get rid of any darkness or smile lines that I may have. So the idea of using a contour is to highlight in a way or make a lighter shade. So that's what I'm doing. And now star of the show is this Fawn First foundation stick from Sugar. This is a couple of shades darker than my actual skin tone, and those are the areas where I'm going to be using to create that depth or shadow. So the idea is when the light falls on your face, you would want to create this kind of shadow so it doesn't reflect back from that place and gives you an illusion of a more contoured face. So in order to accentuate my jaw, my cheekbones, I do that, make a fish face and draw those lines. And now the problem area of my face is my nose, which is too broad. So I'm going to narrow it down by using my contour stick and just making it a little more longer and narrower. You can make it a little more narrower if you want, but I feel this is just perfect. So I'm gonna do just that. In order to make my lips a little plumper, I tend to put this product a little below my lip and in my hairline, of course, so that my foundation doesn't look crazy. And all of us have second, double chin, triple chin. So it's important to contour your jawline as well, so you get that beautiful defined chin. And that's what I'm doing. So after I've put the product in, I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it all away. This is just to make sure that there are no harsh lines and the contour product blends like a dream with your base makeup altogether. And you can see how already my nose looks a lot more longer and less wider than it was before. And here I'm drawing those beautiful cheekbones. And you see how much of a difference does that make. Same thing on the other side, and then I'll be making sure that I drag the product a little up in my hairline and blend it all again. There you go. It already creates a lot of difference, and just making sure that the product that I have on the lower lip and my jaw is blended as well. So that's really the key. You put the contour product down there and then you use your beauty blender to just blend everything in. Once that is done, you need to lock your contour in, and for that I'm using my MAC NC45 Studio Fix powder foundation. It is a perfect darker shade of contour that I'd like to use to set it up, and that's really what I'm doing here. And that's it. That's how I do my contour.
So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do not forget to click on that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? So till then, stay tuned for more. Bye.